Good morning, students. Welcome to this lecture of GK. Children, today we will study about Winter Olympics. In this lesson, children, we will discuss some of the sports events which are included in Winter Olympics. Like Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics are also held after every 4 years. And the events which are included in Winter Olympics are skiing, biathlon, bobsleigh, curling, figure skating, ice hockey, luge, speed skating and short track speed skating, skeleton, ski jumping, snowboarding. Now children, the first one, skiing. In this, there are three skiing events which are included. Alpine, freestyle and cross country. Second one is biathlon. It is combination of cross country skiing and rifle shooting. Third one is bobsleigh. Again, it is played in teams of 2 or 4, and in this there are the 2 or 4 teams are there. They run down narrow twisted band iced tracks in sledge. Next one is curling. Curling is a sport in which the player he slides stones on a sheet of ice. Figure skating, in this skating in the form, and the person who is doing skating, he has to perform on figure skates on ice. Next one is ice hockey. It is played in a skating rink. फिर उसके बाद है luge. It is a small 1 or 2 person sledge. And in this, the person, as you can see in the picture, he lies on his or her back, steering the luge using his calf muscles. Next one, eighth one is in Nordic. Now the meaning of this word Nordic. Nordic is a group of countries including Finland, Denmark, Iceland, etc., which are cold countries. They combine compete in cross-country skiing and ski jumping. Now children, we come to the footnote. Till 1992, Winter and Summer Olympic Games were held in the same year. मतलब विंटर और समर ओलंपिक्स एक ही साल हुआ करते थे. In 1886, IOC dedicated to place the two games on separate 4-year cycles in alternating even-numbered years. To enable this, the new Winter Olympics after 1992 was in 1994. मतलब उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि इनको अलग साइकिल्स में, पहले तो एक ही साथ जिस साल समर ओलंपिक्स हुआ उसी साल विंटर ओलंपिक्स होता था. बाद में उन्होंने क्या किया, उसको प्लेस किया दोनों गेम्स को सेपरेट 4-year साइकिल्स में. मतलब जिस साल समर ओलंपिक्स होगा उसी साल विंटर ओलंपिक्स नहीं होगा. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, 1992 के बाद 94 में विंटर ओलंपिक्स दोबारा किया. नॉट आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 4 years बट विद इन अ गैप ऑफ 2 years. फिर उसके बाद से उसको 4 years के इंटरवल पे दोबारा से स्टार्ट किया. उसके बाद है स्पीड स्केटिंग एंड शॉर्ट ट्रैक स्पीड स्केटिंग. यहाँ कॉम्पिटिटर्स क्या करते हैं, दे रेस अगेंस्ट ईच अदर अराउंड एन ओवल ट्रैक. फिर उसके बाद है स्केलेटन. अब स्केलेटन वर्ड का मीनिंग शायद तुम लोग जानते हो. ह्यूमन स्केलेटन सुन रखा होगा, द बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ आवर बॉडी. सिर्फ ह्यूमन स्केलेटन ही नहीं होता, किसी भी प्राणी का उसका एक अपना स्ट्रक्चर होता है, उसका अपना एक स्केलेटन होता है. लेकिन इस विंटर ओलंपिक्स में जब इस स्केलेटन की बात होती है, ये एक स्पोर्ट का नाम है जिसमें पर्सन जो है ही राइड्स अ small sled, and this sled is known as skeleton sled. और इस स्लेड पे वो उल्टी तरफ अपना फेस रख के और वो क्या करता है, फ्रोजन ट्रैक के ऊपर वो मूव करता है उस स्लेड के हेल्प से. नेक्स्ट है स्की जंपिंग. इन दिस द कॉम्पिटिटर एम्स टू अचीव द लॉन्गेस्ट जंप. And then snowboarding. Snowboarding is again, in this, it involves descending a snow-covered slope. एक snow-covered slope में नीचे की तरफ उतरा जाता है while standing on a snowboard. Now in the footnote, in the year 2018 Winter Games, India sent just two competitors, Jagdish Singh and Shiva Keshwan. Shiva Keshwan has represented India at 6 Winter Olympic Games in the luge event. मतलब सिर्फ इंडिया ने दो कॉम्पिटिटर्स भेजे थे. दोनों के नाम है जगदीश सिंह और शिवा केशवान. और शिवा केशवान ने इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया एट 6 विंटर ओलंपिक गेम्स. और किस इवेंट में? ल्यूज इवेंट में. Now children, in this lesson 41 Indian words in English. Here we will discuss some words which we use in English but are taken from Indian language. Now children, the first word is बंधना. तुमने बांधनी वर्ड सुन रखा होगा. ये बांधनी वर्ड से बंधना बना है. It means a bright colored handkerchief. Next word is bungalow. Bungalow word जो है ये बंगाली वर्ड बंगला से बना है. बंगलो का मीनिंग तुम सब जानते हो, एक बड़ा घर जो कि 1 स्टोरीड होता है मोस्टली, and its origin is from Bengali word bangla. Third word is calico. Calico is made up of two words, cali and co. This is, cali means it's short form of Calicut. Calicut is a port in Kerala. And co stands for cotton. Cotton of Calicut is called calico. So this word calico, its origin is Calicut. Next word is catamaran. Catamaran means a boat with two parallel hulls. Now, this word has got origin in Tamil. Next one is जोधपुर. जोधपुर किसको कहते हैं? तुम्हें जोधपुर का नाम सुन रखा होगा. राजस्थान में एक जगह है जोधपुर. और जोधपुर का एक और मतलब है, these are trousers which are worn by people who ride horse. These trousers are tight till the knee and then the trouser is loose. Now this word has got origin in Rajasthan. Next is juggernaut. Juggernaut means a tremendous force. ये वर्ड आया है जगन्नाथ वर्ड से. तुमने लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ का जो रथ यात्रा होता है उसके बारे में तुमने सुन रखा होगा उड़ीसा में. From that word, this word juggernaut has come out. It means with tremendous force, with great force. And then the last word, jungle. This is taken from Hindi word jungle. तुमने सुन रखा होगा. This is very common. Now children, in the footnote, the most widely spoken language in the world is Mandarin, a Chinese dialect. Mandarin जो है एक चाइनीज बोली है जो कि मोस्ट widely spoken language. Children, you will learn these footnotes also. Here children, we have another lesson, simple to compound. Means in this lesson we will be converting simple sentences into compound. Now, to join two sentences or two clauses using a coordinating conjunction, we get a compound sentence. Now children, coordinating conjunction, what are these? There are some words which are used as conjunctions, and I will give you the names of those coordinating conjunctions. In short, you can say fanboys. Fanboys. Now children, F stands for, and N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, and Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. These are some of the coordinating conjunctions which we can use to join two clauses or two sentences. Now the first sentence is, there are other conjunctions also which we can use, like while, when, after, when, and if, since, because. They are used as subordinating conjunctions. The two sentences given are, in the first one, he does well, he is nervous at the start. We have joined it with but, because one part of the sentence is positive, he does well, this is positive, and this one is negative, he is nervous at the start. So we have joined it with the coordinating conjunction but. He is well, but he does well, but is nervous at the start. Second one, the journey was long, the wind was cold. Now this sentence, both the sentences does not have anything positive or negative. So we have simply used the word and, we have used this conjunction and joined this. The journey was long and the wind was cold. Next one is, football is a healthy game. Everybody should play it. Football is a healthy game that everybody should play. We have used this conjunction that. Next one, the car was smashed. No one was hurt. Now in this sentence again, first part is negative, the car was smashed, and the second one is positive, no one was hurt. So we have used the conjunction but. The car was smashed but no one was hurt. Bruce was lying on his bed. He looked up to the roof and he saw a spider. Now if we join this, to make this into compound sentence, we will use the conjunction while. While lying on his bed, Bruce looked up to the roof and saw a spider. And then, means in order to make a sentence compound, we can use coordinating conjunction as well as subordinating conjunction. While, when, since, after, These are subordinating conjunctions. It was raining heavily. I took an umbrella with me. It was raining heavily, so I took an umbrella with me. This one is understood. Why I took the umbrella? Because it was raining. The seventh sentence. Mohan is ill. He cannot study. He still attends the school. Now we have joined it like this. Though Mohan is ill and cannot study, he still attends school. Now we have introduced this word though. It is also a conjunction. Next one. He was guilty. He was punished. This one is very easy. He was guilty, so he was punished. हम ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. He was guilty, therefore he was punished. ये भी आ सकता था. वो भी correct है. Now the ninth sentence. We must catch the 9 o'clock train. There is only half an hour left. We must start without further delay. अब हमने इसको क्या किया? लास्ट वाले सेंटेंस से स्टार्ट किया. We must start without further delay as there is only half an hour left and catch the 9 o'clock train. मतलब लास्ट पार्ट को पहले लिया, फिर सेकंड, फिर फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट है, लास्ट वन इज ऑल्सो इजी. दोनों नो में है. डू नॉट बोरो, डू नॉट लेंड, दोनों में नॉट है. सो वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड नाइदर नॉर. नाइदर बोरो नॉर लेंड. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, in this way we have converted the simple sentence into compound. Children, you will do all these exercises, all the 3 lessons which we have done today, lesson number 40, 41 and 42, and send your work to me. Thank you, children.